Welcome, dear listeners, to our discussion on the fascinating universe and its countless wonders. Today, we will delve into the cosmos and explore the mysteries of galaxies, black holes, and the incredible scale of the universe. Our Milky Way galaxy is just one of billions of galaxies that make up the observable universe. These galaxies are filled with billions of stars, planets, and other celestial objects. While we know that the universe is billions of years old, the exact formation process is still a mystery. Black holes are one of the most intriguing celestial objects in the universe. They are formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity after running out of nuclear fuel. Black holes have such strong gravity that not even light can escape from them, making them appear solid and invisible. At the center of a galaxy, there often exists a supermassive black hole that can be even more massive than the Sun. The universe is vast and expansive, with distances that can span billions of light-years. Even the closest galaxy, observable from Earth, is over 4 billion light-years away. This vastness is exemplified by the concept of the Hubble constant, which helps us measure the expansion rate of the universe. As we can see, the universe is not static. It is constantly expanding and moving away from us. In conclusion, the universe is a remarkable place filled with wonders and mysteries. From the vastness of galaxies to the powerful forces of black holes, we are constantly discovering new information and expanding our understanding of this incredible cosmos. As we continue to explore, we can only imagine what other wonders await us in the depths of the universe. Thank you for joining me in this journey through the galaxy universe. Galaxies are not isolated entities. They interact, collide, and merge over cosmic timescales. These collisions give birth to new stars, trigger supernovae, and shape the evolution of the universe itself. Moreover, galaxies serve as cosmic laboratories, offering insights into the early stages of the universe's formation, allowing astronomers to peer back in time and study the origins of galaxies and the evolution of cosmic structures. The sheer vastness and complexity of galaxies evoke a sense of wonder and curiosity about the universe. They remind us of the infinitesimal nature of our existence in the grand cosmic ballet, and ignite our imagination about the countless possibilities that lie beyond the stars, inviting us to explore and unravel the mysteries of the universe. Beyond the Milky Way lies an unimaginable number of other galaxies, each with its own unique characteristics. Galaxies come in different shapes and sizes, such as spirals, ellipticals, irregulars, and peculiar formations, each contributing to the diverse tapestry of the universe.